constructor is a special type of method which is used to initialize object of a class. Usually when we create an object, obviously the object is going to keep a copy of the instance variables with it. So if I want to initialize those instance variables by the time the object is being created, we can take the help of the constructor. So to do this, we'll be taking the method which is init, which starts with double underscore and followed by double underscore. And the best part of this constructor is it is automatically called by the time you create the object of the class. So you need not exclusively call this method. Usually when we define a method, we have to create the object and we have to call the method explicitly. But constructor is such kind of method which is being called automatically by the compiler or the interpreter, in fact, when the object of the class is created. And what the basic purpose of constructor is, it is used to initialize the variables of a class. By the time the object is being created, whatever variables it carries, it can initialize them without defining a separate method for the same. There are two types of constructors. One is non-parameterized constructor, which do not take any parameters, and the second one is your parameterized constructor.